What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Flying Brian's Garage. It's awfully hot out here today. Probably about 10:30. I actually just got done with the seat and shifter mod or repositioning on the dragster. And next project for the day. I was mowing the yard yesterday, and I haven't lived here maybe coming on to a year, and I'm just finding out what's all in this yard. Previous tenants have left shit scattered. I just laid it out in the yard, this, that, and another. But my lawnmower found an old fence post in the front yard yesterday and bent the absolute shit out of my blade to where it is now gouging one side of the grass way too low, and it's got a very loud humming vibration coming from it. So I've actually got to reposition this thing to be able to work on it, because the way it's sitting right now, it is not high enough off the ground for me to get my air impact under there and knock those blades off, so I can actually take them off and either rebend them or replace them. But I'm going to do a little how-to video here today on either rebending, sharpening, and replacing your blades on your deck. Doesn't matter which size it is. Mine just happens to be a 42-inch 2-blade setup. It goes the same for a 46, 48-inch 3-blade setup, 4-blade setup, so on and so forth, even 1-blade setup. You got to make sure your blades are balanced, because if they're not balanced, it's going to create a bad vibration. It's going to hum. It can shake things loose and cause other problems down the road. You got to make sure they're sharp so they can cut the grass. They got to be straight, so I know one blade is straight and another one's bent. I'm probably going to take those off and kind of use the straight one to template the bent one. But I also have other blades that go to this mower that are really worn out. I don't want to have to put them back on there, but I will if I have to. But I can actually use those to tell how straight my blades are now. So with that being said, I'm actually about to lower this thing back down, get it out here in the yard. I'm going to cut the deck on, cut the lawnmower on, cut the deck on for a minute, cut the camera on, let you guys hear what it's doing so you can understand what I'm talking about, and then we'll go into actually repairing the issue. So with that being said, let's get into it. Alright, so this is what it's doing. Shop, let's get to work on it. Alright. The only thing that pulled this thing off is the air impact here. Ooh, yeah. It bent that sucker good. Look at that. I'm probably not even going to be able to straighten that out. Bent that pretty good. Pretty good. Let's do the other side. Other side. And see what I can do with these things. the balance blade. It's the balance blade. Alright. Let's go get these installed and get this job done. Alright, install number one. It's already up under there and I've got it finger tight. Actually bent my jack shaft, but I'm going to try to finish the yard with it like this for now, and then I'll go ahead and replace that too. But yeah, let's get the other side put on. Alright, second one's in place. Jump up here. Fire this yard tractor up. Still vibrates a little bit, but not near as bad as it was, which is a good thing. So problem pretty much taken care of for now. I will excuse me, I gotta wipe my lens and everything. The camera gets a bit dusty out here. I'll replace the jack shaft later on. I have one in the back on the deck, so I'll just take it off and put a new one on it and it should be good to go. But I'll probably leave that video for another day, and I'll do a little how-to video on how to disassemble and take apart the jack shaft and replace it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope that helped you out a little bit on how to balance the deck and blades and stuff like that. Excuse me. To make sure you'd have minimal to no vibration on your mowing deck. So go down there and leave me a like if y'all like the video. If y'all have any questions for me, feel free to post them down in the comments. I'll answer anything you got. And check out the Facebook page, the Snapchat if you want to, and the Instagram. And until then, I'll see you on the next episode.